Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone's doing good. So ULAHAIR sent me 3 bundles of their Burmese curly hair. This was 2 18 inches and 120. It came with an instruction manual, wig cap, comb, elastic band. Anyways, this is what the bundles look like. So at this point, I've washed my bundles now and I just started sewing them in. I wanted to do like a flip over sewing, but I didn't want to have any leave out. So I didn't really leave any hair out. I just had my edges out, what I would usually have out from my cornrows. So I just worked with that because I didn't actually want to have to leave my hair out or curl my hair. I don't really like putting heat on my hair. So at this point, I'm just sewing my tracks down, and then when I got to the middle, I got my assistant hairstylist to help me sew in the tracks. I wanted it to be like a side flip over, so I wanted one side to have more hair than the other, like a side pot kind of thing. I really like the hair brushed out and big, but I did also want to show it to you guys when it was wet. Two days later, this was my hair. A mess. Don't judge me. I had slept without my hair bonnet for 2 days and I had it brushed out. So yeah, this was the aftermath. But we're gonna get it together now. So yeah, let's go. So I started with sectioning my hair into 4 parts. This just makes it easier to detangle. As I said, I didn't have any leave out. I just had like my edges out. So that was what I worked with. And if you do have a leave out, a proper leave out, it would blend more and it would look nicer. But this actually did blend quite nicely. I was quite surprised, especially because my edges are suffering at the moment. So I put my heat protector because you always want to protect your edges. I wanted to see if I was going to be able to like do curls with my straightener, but I realized it wasn't giving me what I wanted, so I ended up going in with curlers later. Because I didn't have a leave out, it was very hard to try and use the little hair from my edges. But anyways, I went in with my water and my curling cream to get my curls together because I did want to show you guys what it looks like when it's wet. So this is me just detangling, cupping my hair with my hands. I did the same thing in each section. As you can see, the curls are already looking juicy. The curls on this hair are very, very nice, especially when they are wet, but I like the afro look. As you can see, the curls are very defined. These were dry and you can see compared to the other side that was still wet. Just look at how juicy those and bouncy the curls are, guys. So anyways, I went in to sort out my edges. So this is me just trying to work around my edges and try and like manipulate it because I didn't actually leave hair out. And then I went in to do some layers just to frame my face a bit with the curls. Just gave myself some volume in the roots just to have like a full look. I kind of like knew what I was going for in my head. I then went in with my colors and just like define my curls a bit and try to like mix it with my hair. You guys would see my Kiro lines at the front, but by the time I blended it all in, it was fine. Also, I realized that curling the hair when it was like almost dry but still a bit cold, and after putting like the curling cream and hair serum, it made the curls so fluffy. When I curled them, it was so nice. Be careful guys, I ended up burning my hand. It was not nice, but I realized the curls were coming out so nice and like very like fluffy and lightweight. It gave the curls a nice texture, so like you can spray a little water on your hair and then curl it, and guys, the texture, amazing. It was so like soft and bouncy. And yeah, this was what I did to just like blend my hair in. I then went in with the scissors again and just like framed the hair a bit more. And yeah, at this point I was happy. It was giving what I wanted. It was giving leave out without a leave out. And this is the final look. This is what it looks like when it's fully dried. This was about 4 hours later. I'd gone out and then come back. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section if you do like this hair. This hair is very full. It has a very nice natural look. I have all the information in the description box for you guys. You can use my discount code KDOLL to get money off your orders. And except from that, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.